All right, here we go. Good luck. Here we go, VZ. Last 7 boxes. Buena suerte, man. Buena suerte. Come on, we need a superfractor in this thing. Better run through the jungle. Scott Kingery. Nice autograph, Scott. Very nice. 30 of 50, 48th overall pick for the Philadelphia Phillies. Arizona. Tristan McKenzie. Cleveland Indians, 42nd overall pick. You guys really don't want to see the picks anymore, right? It's 7 boxes. It's going to take like an hour to break if I did that. Yadier Alvarez. Los Angeles Dodgers. Out of Cuba. Jose de Leon for the Dodgers also. Andrew Benintendi. Yeah, is it Leon? Leon or Yadier? Oh. Boston Red Sox, 7th overall pick. And our perfect game is Anthony Losi. Probably saying that one wrong. 11 of 25. Blue perfect game. And our hit is purple Julio Urias. Eight of 25. Damn. Kid's 17 years old, man. Woo! It's gonna be a beast. Tyler Nevin, 17, yeah. We got a 101. 45 of 50. He's probably 18 now. UCLA, 38th overall pick. Alex Young. And that kick. That's a high kick right there. Whew. Phil Nevin. Oh, nice. TCU, 43rd overall pick for the Diamondbacks. Lucius Fox Jr. It's Lucius' kid right there. $6 million. Nick Neidert. '60th overall pick. Drew Finley, California. Look at that. Perfect game. State pride. 6'3", 200. Woo! Jeff Belg. Hi, Kenny. And our 101 print plate is another perfect game. Walker Robbins. 101 print plate. Black print plate. How's your Friday going, Kenny? Ken. Box number 3. It was already open. Tired. Nap time. Ryan Mountcastle. Holy crap. Ryan Mountcastle. 36th overall pick by the Orioles. Donnie Deweys. '47th overall pick. Chicago Cubs. Kyle Tucker. Nice. 5th overall pick. Tyler Stevenson. I think this was a nice one too. If I'm mistaken. 4/50, 11th overall pick by the Reds. Draw comparison of Matt Wieters. Michael Matuella. State Pride. Oh yeah, Tommy John surgery. Blake Sabol. And our green James Caprillion. Green. 8/10 out of UCLA. Very nice. Very, very nice. Austin Riley, purple, 12/25, 41st pick. Chris Shaw, 31st, 6'3", 248. Whew. Lucas Herbert, 54th overall pick by the Braves. Antonio Santillan. Antonio Santillan. Base auto card. Let's see what round he was drafted in. Doesn't tell me what round he was drafted in. Bo Burrows, number 22 pick. And we've got Kevin Gowdy. As in like the Gowdy cards. And our blue is Steve Matz. The New York Mets. 39/50. Very nice. Next box. Garrett Whitley. Garrett Whitley. Purple. 11/25 for the Rays. 13th overall pick. He's drawing comparison to Andrew McCutchen. Bo Burrows again, number 22 draft pick. Brett Lilac. 50th overall pick. 3-pitch arsenal. Austin Smith, blue. 40 of 50. Padres 51st overall pick. A fluid delivery. Wow, very nice. Fluid. Walker Buehler, number 24th overall pick. Los Angeles Dodgers. Vanderbilt. Khalil Lee, perfect game. And our autograph is... You got a purple Javier Guerra to go with your regular Javier Guerra. Yep, that kid's being compared to Andrew McCutchen. 8 of 15. Nice. Which kid was it? This guy, Garrett Whitley. So right there has drawn comparisons to Andrew McCutchen. All right, next box. Good luck. I need to see a 1-of-1, man. I mean, we saw a 1-of-1. We need to see a super. Come on, super, man. Alright, we've got Cornelius Randolph. Linked to Willie. We got another 1-of-1. 10th overall pick. Very nice. Drew Finley. 3rd round. New York Yankees 3rd round. Drew Finley. Peter Lambert. 5 of 50. 44th out of UCLA, or has committed to UCLA. John Harris. 29th, Blue Jays. Perfect game, Reggie Lawson. Perfect game, Jason Groom. And number 6, Tyler Lay. That's a nice autograph, as a matter of fact. Tyler Lay, number 6 overall draft pick. Oh, Tyler J. I'm sorry, Tyler J. That was Lay. Tyler J. 1-of-1. Still looking for that super, man. Come on, Super Fractor. We need that super. Maybe in this one, you never know. Let's see. Here we go. Two 1-of-1s. A Moncada, a Schwarber, Nick Plummer, blue. 38 of 50, 23rd overall pick. Brendan Rodgers. I think he was a top pick. 3rd overall pick, Brendan Rodgers for the Rockies. See, I got a card of him somewhere, I think. Eric Jenkins. '45th overall pick. Josh Naylor. Josh Naylor. 12th overall pick out of Ontario, Canada. Wow. That's going to be Carvin's next PC right there. Josh Naylor. We got Austin Riley. Big kid right there, Austin. Mississippi State, 41th overall pick. We got a green Blake Rutherford, 8 of 10. And our red, Jeff Belge, red perfect game, numbered 1 of 5. That was a personal, sir. Personal. And that was a break. Fun stuff. A lot of great players, or great future players, honestly, or good potential future players. Should I say? Nice, VZ. Thank you very much. We'll chit chat about what you want to do with that. Oh, the bonus. Let's see the bonus right now. Where's the bonus? Where'd I put it? Right there. Here it is. Here's the bonus. Good luck. Sealed. As you can see, it's sealed. One green parallel auto, number 5 or less. 5 or less. Here we go. 4 of 5. Looks like a football player. Mike Ditka, 4 of 5. Legends of Sport. Very nice. Right? Very nice. Good stuff, Easy. Thank you very much.